guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So before we actually begin the video, please make sure you'll subscribe to my channel if you like the content that I make, because we are close to hitting 1k subscribers. And please go ahead and subscribe if you all enjoy watching what I make. This video is all about my bag collection. Obviously you all must have read from the title, and I am only restricting this video to my sling bags, not like my tote bags, my backpacks or my wallets. I just want to keep the video short and crisp and not add too many bags and make it boring. I already have roughly around 7 to 8 bags, like sling bags, so I'll just keep it to that, and without wasting any further time, let's get started. The first sling bag is going to be this Chatak black sling bag. This could be used at events, for clubbing, parties, dinner parties, like mostly during evening occasions. And this is what it looks like. It has this detailed stones, black stones on it, which is shining. Then it has this silver chain. It has a silver chain to open the bag as well, and this is for the sling. It's a small cute little bag with one compartment, so just keeping your phone, your wallet, money, handkerchief and keys. So it's good to go for that, like a small bag, very handy bag, and yet more fashionable when it comes to evening occasions. The next one we have is a pop-up color. It's a yellow sling bag. It has this fur thing on the top, and this bag is pretty old, What I mean is like almost 8 to 10 years old bag, but it is still good to go. This again has chain as sling. When you open this bag, there are 2 compartments, so stores a lot of stuff inside. I remember when I had gone for one trip long back, like 7-8 years back, I had taken this bag, and it actually fits everything. I don't remember where I had taken this bag from, but I'll wait till the end. I'll mention all the locations and like where I bought all my bags from. Stay tuned, you'll get to know that. But yeah, this one is the yellow one with fur detailing, chain detailing, and fits in so much things. So like just carry this one bag and everything is sorted. Coming to the next one, we have this pink bag, this pink sling bag. It's so cute and it looks so good as well. This I've been using regularly since almost 2 years now. This has been my like go-to bag for my everyday things. Whenever I go out, I used to use this bag. Recently I got a new one, which I'll show you all in a bit. But it has a good baby pink color. Although I've been using it for quite a while, it has not got dirty like too much. Yes, it has got dirty a bit, but that's all right. I can wash it. Then it has golden detailing when it comes to your sling. It has golden detail. Then it has a big chain which leads to your 2 compartments. There's this pouch over here where you can keep your coin pouch, or also maybe you can just keep a little bit of change, a 10 rupee note, 20 rupee note. So I absolutely love one. It still looks so good, and like it is worth. The next one we have is one of my special and favorite bag, because this is from Bali. I mean, I've been to Bali. It's been quite some time, quite a few years, but this bag is still like the same. It still looks the same. It still looks fresh and nice. I had one more color. I had a white color also. I couldn't find that, but this is the brown bag, and let me just open it. I haven't even used it. Like since I've gone, I've not even used it once. But it has like, when you open it, this is one shelf. So I don't know, that's why I'm quite skeptical, but I just like the shape so much, and this detailing which is over here, like wooden jute detailing, is what I really like. That's why I bought this bag, and I got it in one more color, that is white. So absolutely love this one, and has to be one of my favorites. The next bag is this black bag. It's a cute little sling which again stores a lot of stuff. I really love the keychain thing which is over here. I don't know if you can see properly, but it has good silver detailing, red, white, and there are also silver studs over here, which makes it more appealing. I've taken this bag for my match recently to Ankara. It carries a lot of stuff. It has one big compartment, and there are small little compartments to keep your money in, but just carries so much stuff again and I really love the color combination used for this one. Though it looks small, it stores a lot of stuff. I like this belt thing also, which is over here. So great detailing, good characteristics. It has good small aesthetic details. So absolutely love this one, and I would highly recommend buying such a bag. It has also this black belt. So if you have like multiple black bags as I do, and if a belt gets just removed, or it doesn't like go well with the bag, you can just keep switching your belts. So that is also a great option which you all can do. Recently I added 2 more bags to my collection. Like they've just been bought recently, which I started using right now, which I was also mentioning earlier. It is similar to the previous one, but I still love it, and I thought of buying it again, though it is similar. This is black and white bag, sling bag, which has good golden detailing. It is, I don't know the material, I don't know if it's plastic or not, but it is really good during monsoons. So you don't need to worry about water going inside your bag, and the chain starts right from here. So like right from the bottom of the bag, the chain starts. I already have my stuff inside. There's already a lot of stuff. I have my cute little wallet, my hanky, my keys and all. Since I'm not recording any of my wallets and all, and I'm not showing that, but I really have a cute little wallet. Let me just show you all. I won't explain much in detail, but it's a cute little wallet which I'm using since quite a while now, and I love it. Now the other bag is quite a big one of my absolute favorites. I haven't even unboxed it properly. Let me just do you all in front stuff here. We have this bag. I don't know if you can see. It's quite big, fits in a lot of stuff, though I haven't used it. Again, this is one of my recent collection. It's quite big. The best part I liked about this bag is this golden detailing, which is over here. This I haven't even removed the plastic right now, and it has a good shade, like white, your golden, your browns. I love the belt as well. You can even adjust the belt according to your height. It's quite a big bag, like this one big compartment, and it fits in so many things. You can keep a small water bottle, maybe if you want to go for a one day or something, just a pair of clothes, a water bottle, your charger and all the essentials, a diary, a perfume, and you're good to go. So I absolutely love this one. I've just said this so many times, I love all my bags, and they're like so classic, trendy, and that is why I also thought to shoot a video, something different. So yes, this is my white bag, something different color. Most of them were black, so just wanted a pop-up white color. Though it will get dirty very very soon, I don't mind it, but I really love the whites. Coming to the last bag now, which has to be the highlight. This is an old bag, I haven't used it. I just bought it for the aesthetics, and I love it so much. It is this black bag. Again, lots of black as I mentioned, but this is like so beautiful. It looks so good. The best part of this bag is there are so many compartments. So there's one chain over here, there are 2 chains over here, there are chains inside also. There are again 2 chains over here. There's a place to even keep your bottle. So just imagine a bag which has so much chains, and you can keep so many things at once. Again, good to go if you're going for a one-day trip or somewhere, like just one day, you're just carrying your clothes and a towel, a charger, your phone, your water bottle, your wallet and all. It is so good to go. And again, this was actually a backpack, but I've removed the belts over here and I made it a sling bag. Again, you can hold it, and it looks so trendy. Sections in this bag, like the different compartments, are so perfect for your clothes, for your books. Even you can keep your books inside if you're planning to go like to study or something, and you don't need to carry a big backpack always. There's a big compartment over here also. So love this, and has to be the highlight of the video. Now coming to the location of from where I've bought all these bags. So these bags are from Nasik, and it is my relative's shop. The name of the shop is Mithali Bag House. It is in Devlali, Nasik. I will leave the exact details in the description box below. So if you all are in Nasik, or if you are planning a trip to Nasik, please don't forget to check Mithali's Bag House. got some amazing collection. There are all kinds of bags. We have sling bags, you have wallets, you have tote bags, you have good backpacks, you have good school bags, college bags. So all sort of bags are available, and these bags are of super good quality. I've been using them since ages now, and they're just too good. There are no complaints at all. You all can check it out. So if you're planning, please don't forget to check Mitali's Bag House. The detailed name and address would be in the description box below. And with that, we come to the end of this video. I hope you liked it, and I really wanted to experiment with content and try out new things, unique things. I've seen a lot of influencers, a lot of YouTubers doing such videos. Recently, I even watched Ashi Adani's bag collection. It was too much like nice and happening. So I thought, why not even I shoot a video like this, because I really like watching such content. And I hope you like this video. If you all did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll be back with a new video the next time. Bye.